If you're serious about capturing every moment of your ride while staying safe on the road, it might be time to consider a motorcycle dash cam. Not only do they enhance your safety by recording crucial footage, but they also let you relive your adventures in stunning detail. But with so many options out there, it can be hard to choose the right one. That's why in this video, I'll be going over the 5 best motorcycle dash cams. Whether you're an avid adventurer or a daily commuter, I'll have the perfect option for you. All the links to find the best prices on all the products mentioned in this video will be in the description below. Please note that the products mentioned in this video are in no exact order, so be sure to stay tuned so you don't miss anything. Number 5 is the Senna 50C. This motorcycle dash cam allows you to capture every moment of your ride in stunning 4K resolution while staying connected with your fellow riders through advanced mesh and Bluetooth intercom systems. It's an all-in-one solution designed to elevate your riding experience. The integrated 4K camera with a wide field of view ensures you never miss a shot, providing a broader perspective of the road ahead. Its durability means it's built to last, withstanding the rigors of the open road, and the versatile mounting options allow for secure and customizable installation on your helmet. If you're worried about running out of storage or missing crucial moments, its loop recording and G-sensor have you covered. It takes continuous footage and offers automatic saving in case of an incident. Even in low-light conditions, the advanced night vision technology keeps your footage clear and detailed. With ample storage capacity, you can capture extended rides without interruption, and the easy installation process and user-friendly design makes setting up the device a breeze. The premium audio quality through Harman Kardon lets you enjoy exceptional sound through speakers and a microphone designed for clarity, even at high speeds. Voice commands and a dedicated smartphone app offer hands-free convenience, so you can stay focused on the ride. Plus, the long battery life ensures you can keep going without worrying about recharging. Customers rave about the sound quality and performance, noting that the FM radio and voice commands are game changers. However, some have mentioned issues with the headset and battery life, but the overall consensus is that this dash cam offers impressive features that enhance the riding experience. Number 4 is the InnoVV K5. With its 4K Ultra HD recording capability, it captures every detail of your journey with stunning clarity with its advanced 8-megapixel Sony IMX415 sensor. Whether you're cruising down the highway or navigating through winding roads, this camera ensures that your rides are documented in the highest quality. Its robust IP67 water resistance rating means it's built to withstand dust, water, and other harsh weather conditions, so you never have to worry about the elements affecting your footage. One of the standout features is the smart parking mode, which automatically activates when your motorcycle is parked, offering added security and peace of mind. The GPS integration is another major advantage, accurately recording your speed, location, and route, making it easy to relive your adventures or share them with friends. Plus, with Wi-Fi connectivity, you can effortlessly connect to your smartphone via the InnoVV app for live viewing, video management, and easy settings adjustments. It also offers essential safety features like loop recording and a G-sensor that locks video files during sudden impacts. Night vision ensures that your footage is clear even in low-light conditions, and the external microphone provides high-quality audio, perfect for moto vlogging. Designed from aerospace aluminum alloy, this camera is as tough as it is sleek, and its high-temperature resistance guarantees reliable performance in extreme conditions. However, some customers have noted issues with battery life and connectivity, particularly the camera's tendency to drain the motorcycle's battery. While opinions vary on ease of setup and overall performance, its comprehensive features and quality make it a compelling choice for those who value high-definition documentation of their rides. Number 3 is the Vantrue Falcon 1. This dual-channel camera captures stunningly clear footage from both the front and rear, with 4K and 1080p resolution that ensures every detail of your ride is recorded. With a wide 160-degree viewing angle, it significantly reduces blind spots, making your journey safer. Its IP67 waterproof rating means you can ride in any weather, whether it's rain, snow, or dust, without worrying about your camera's performance. It also comes with GPS tracking, providing you with accurate data on your location, speed, and route. This feature is incredibly useful for trip planning and could be crucial in the event of an accident. Plus, with the G-sensor and loop recording, you'll never miss a critical moment, as important footage is automatically saved and older files are continuously overwritten when the memory is full. The Starvis night vision ensures that even in low-light conditions, your footage remains clear and detailed. With Wi-Fi connectivity, you can easily view, download, and share your recordings directly from your smartphone. The camera is designed for convenience with voice guidance, a wired remote control, and an automatic power on when you start your engine. It supports up to 512 gigabytes of storage, so you'll have plenty of space for all your recordings. Customers love the ease of installation and the superior image quality. Many praise the value for money, noting that the camera's performance, appearance, and the ample cable length make it an excellent investment for motorcycle riders. And if you want to know the latest prices of the motorcycle dash cams discussed in this video, be sure to click the links below. And if you're having a good time watching this video, we would love it if you hit that subscribe button. Number 2 is the Garmin Dash Cam Mini 2. It's the best value camera for those who want all-in-one security features. This compact device fits neatly behind your rear-view mirror, making it virtually unnoticeable while still delivering excellent 1080p video resolution. Its wide 140-degree field of view ensures that every important detail is captured, whether you're driving in broad daylight or at night, all with Garmin Clarity High Dynamic Range technology. One of the standout features of the Mini 2 is its reliability. It's built to endure various driving conditions and continues to record crucial moments, even when your car is parked. The G sensor will automatically save footage if it detects sudden movements or impacts, so you always have a record of what happened. Plus, the parking guard feature monitors your car when you're not around, sending alerts to your smartphone if any suspicious activity is detected. It also offers seamless connectivity. With Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, you can easily integrate it with the Garmin Drive app, allowing you to control the camera remotely and upload videos to the Garmin Vault for safekeeping. Its straightforward installation and user-friendly design make it easy to set up and use. Additionally, voice control adds another layer of convenience, letting you save videos or take pictures hands-free. Customers appreciate the compact size and picture quality of the Garmin Dash Cam Mini 2, though some have mentioned occasional issues with app connectivity and performance. Overall, it remains a popular choice for those seeking a reliable, easy-to-use dash cam. Number 1 is the Insta360X3. This is the overall best camera on our list and a game-changer in the world of action cameras. It offers you the ability to capture every angle with its revolutionary 360-degree capabilities. Equipped with dual 1/2-inch 48-megapixel sensors, it delivers breathtaking 7K 360 active HDR video and stunning 72-megapixel 360 photos. This means you'll never miss a moment, no matter the situation. What sets it apart is the ability to reframe your shots after capture, giving you the freedom to choose the perfect angle with ease with the AI-powered Insta360 app. Beyond its impressive 360-degree capture, this camera excels as a traditional action camera as well. Its 4K single lens mode offers crystal clear wide-angle footage, perfect for high-speed action shots. You can choose between maximum resolution at 4K 30 frames per second or an ultra-wide 170-degree field of view with 7K max view. The advanced sensors ensure vibrant colors and sharp details, even in low-light conditions, while active HDR technology brings out hidden details in both highlights and shadows. It's designed for adventure, with a waterproof build that allows you to take it anywhere. Its flow state stabilization and 360 horizon lock ensure that your footage remains smooth and level, no matter how rough the terrain. The innovative invisible selfie stick creates amazing drone-like effects, and the camera's versatile mounting options make it easy to attach to any gear. Customers who've used the Insta360X3 rave about its ease of use, the stunning quality of its footage, and the creative possibilities it offers. It's the ultimate tool for capturing and sharing your adventures in unparalleled detail. And there you have it. We hope this selection simplifies your decision-making process and makes your quest for the perfect motorcycle dash cam much easier. And if you guys found this video valuable, we would love it if you hit that subscribe button, and be sure to check out the description for the links to find the latest pricing on all the products mentioned. Until next time.